Hi Karen, in this video I'll try and do the questions that you had. Right, okay, so what we need to do, we'll do first of all the contacts. So if we go to contacts, you can see I've got various things on here. Now these are just for my SIM cards. It's showing you the blue SIM card is, let's have a look, what's the blue SIM card is, my orange, and the orange SIM card is the O2 to make it more confusing. Okay, so the blue is my orange SIM card and the orange is actually my O2 SIM card. On these things, these are sort of pre-programmed into the SIM. They're SIM contacts, so your SIM contacts would be the same. Now if I go into them, I can edit them by pressing this button. Oh dear. You can't edit those, it seems. Okay, what I did, I created a contact on my O2 SIM card here. So that's my test contact. If I go here, I can edit those contacts that you've got. Now with a SIM contact, you can only edit the number, and I think you may be able to add an email, but that's about it. There's very limited what you can do. So what you need to do is either create a new contact onto the phone, and thereby you can then add lots of extra fields like email addresses and work numbers and stuff. But on the SIM card, the very nature of it, you can only store minimum amount of data on it. You can't do pictures and stuff like that. So there's two ways around it. You can create a new SIM, a new contact on the phone. So to do that, I go to here. I go to, here, down here, new contact, and it'll ask me where I want to save it, on the SIM cards or on the phone. Now you want to save it on the phone. So then I can do the name, organisation, phone, email, address, and lots of things. I can even add a new field on there. So I can do plenty of things, much more information, and I can also add a picture. I can take a photo or choose from my photo gallery and my memory card. So that's all there. Remember, this button gives you extra options. That's how to get the extra options. So anything on any menu on the phone, if you try this button, it should give you some more information and extra options. Right. Now what about if you had contacts on your phone that you want to add more things to? Now what you need to do is store them on your phone, from your SIM to your phone, and then you can add more stuff to it. So what I do that to the contact I want, associate SIM, and then I associate it to the phone. And then what will happen now is I'll have another contact. You can see there, that's on the phone. It's the same contact, but that's on the phone. Now if I go to edit it, I can choose a picture, I can add a new field, I can add all sorts of things to make it more functional. There's a quick way to import all your contacts from all your SIMs to your phone as well. If you go back to your contacts here, go here, then import export, and then you can say I want all my orange contacts to go onto the phone. So do that, do next, and it will then save all your contacts from your orange or your O2 or whichever SIM onto the phone, and then you'll be able to edit them and add new things and stuff. Okay, so what about ringtones? Now ringtones and that you've probably worked out. You can edit the ringtones, and change the ringtones, but you can't unfortunately choose a different ringtone for your Facebook and Twitter and things like that. That cannot be done, but you can change a ringtone for your phone calls and things, but you can't do that for your Facebook and Twitter. It's just, you just can't do it. So if I go to my orange, audio profile, sorry. Alright, I can go to general, and you've been here no doubt, and you've changed the ringtone and stuff. Yeah, you can't choose a different tone for your Facebook and your Twitter. It's just not doable. Okay, so I hope that helps you, but if you need anything else, do let me know.